Thank you, everyone! Now, this next song goes out to someone very special to me.
Hey, look who's about to walk past.
Waluigi time.
Morning, Daisy. That was smooth.
Bro, you are so obvious. Just ask her out already before I get there first.
Yeah.
I don't really sing. I mean, I can sing, but it's not really a big deal.
Waluigi #1.
She thinks I'm an angel? Oh, I don't really know about that.
Take that.
But I'll join.
Take that.
Thanks, Daisy. Are you thinking of joining too?
Ow, ow,
See you
ow.
around, Daisy! Oh, she's so cute. Wait.